English learning. There is, there are, it is. There's a man on the roof. There's a train at 10:30. There are 7 days in a week. Singular. There is. There's. Is there? There is not. There isn't or there is not. There's a big tree in the garden. There's a good film on TV tonight. We can't go skiing. There isn't any snow. Excuse me, is there a hotel near here? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Plural. There are they? There are not. There aren't. There are some big trees in the garden. There are a lot of accidents on this road. This restaurant is very quiet. There aren't many people here. How many players are there in a football team? There are 11 players in a football team. Are there any letters for me today? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. It is. I like this book. It's interesting. What's that noise? It's a train. It here means that noise. I don't like this soup. It's too salty. It here is this soup. Thank you. Subscribe, like, share.